You're thinking about a smart thermostat for your home. A great choice for modern comfort. But one DIY mistake could void its warranty, or worse, damage your entire HVAC system. It's not about matching colored wires. One wrong connection can fry your unit's main control board. Professional installation is insurance against these hidden financial risks. We'll show you the value of a pro install, from foundational safety to advanced savings you didn't know existed. First, is your new thermostat even compatible with your older HVAC? A pro guarantees it, preventing day one malfunctions. Next, many older homes lack a C-wire for power. Without it, the thermostat fails. A pro can safely install one. Placement is also vital. Near a sunny window, your readings will be wrong and your system will constantly cycle. So you can see how the physical installation alone is foundational. But this is just where the real value begins. When installed correctly, these devices deliver true savings, with the average user saving $131 to $145 annually. A professionally installed Energy Star unit also qualifies you for local utility rebates, offsetting the initial cost. Here's a benefit most homeowners miss. A properly calibrated smart thermostat can extend the life of your HVAC system. It prevents stressful stop-start cycles from bad placement, reducing wear on compressors and fans. Fewer cycles means a longer system life. That learns your family's routine, creating a predictive schedule that cools the house just before you arrive home. This optimization is totally transparent. Professionals will connect the app so you can see detailed energy reports on your phone. These reports show exactly when you use the most energy, empowering you to make small adjustments for even bigger savings. But what if your thermostat could save you money without you thinking about it? Or even earn you money from the utility? That's what geofencing does. It uses your phone's location to know when the house is empty, automatically saving energy. As you drive back, it senses you approaching and begins cooling. You walk into a perfectly comfortable home every time. And yes, your thermostat can earn you money. Professionals can enroll you in local utility demand response programs. On peak summer days, your utility might slightly adjust your temperature, and in return, you get a credit on your bill. Did you know these advanced features were possible? Getting them to work requires perfect setup, which a pro guarantees. Let's add another layer. Home zoning. Many homes have one thermostat for multiple floors with different needs. A professional integrates smart thermostats with dampers in your ductwork, letting you set different temperatures for each zone. Now for a very modern problem. Security. Your Wi-Fi thermostat is another device on your network, a potential target. A pro doesn't just connect it to Wi-Fi, they secure it, advising on passwords and firmware updates to protect your data. So this is about sophisticated control and security. But how does this all protect your biggest home investment? The greatest value is in preventative maintenance. These devices can actively monitor your HVAC's performance. They detect if your system is taking too long to cool or if airflow is low, sending an alert directly to your phone. Recall the risk of frying your system with bad wiring? A professional installation not only prevents that, but it also helps predict future repairs. This pairing of optimized cycles and early warnings is how you truly maximize your HVAC's lifespan and avoid costly breakdowns. The decision isn't just about DIY versus professional. It's about choosing basic function versus total system optimization. Professional installation ensures safety, maximizes savings, activates advanced features, and protects your HVAC. Before you attempt a DIY install, consider the deep value a professional brings to your smart home investment. Ready to upgrade your home the right way? Contact us to schedule a professional smart thermostat consultation.